Alright, so supposedly I have a new nickname. Do you want to introduce it or should I?
Go for it.
I'm the mad scientist. Mad scientist. Is there a reason why I'm the mad scientist? Why am I the mad scientist?
I think they'll figure it out.
I mean, we're just listening to some music right now, like thinking Freaky Tyler and I are trying to figure out a topic for this song, but I mean, I'm not crazy, I don't think. I am? Okay. So, okay, world, I guess. FYI, I go by Sam Dever, I go by SJD, I go by Shit Show, I go by Cool Cat, and now I go by Mad Scientist.
Hey,
Time out. No.
nobody calls him Cool Cat.
It's never happened.
Nobody
One
has
time.
ever called him Cool Cat.
I thought
ever.
No, it's happened once before.
No.
No.
Hey, never.
No.
All right.
Nunca.
All right, so you can call me Sam Dever, you can call me SJD, you can call me Shit Show, and you can call me Mad Scientist. Mad Scientist. Mad Scientist.
What gave you those?
All right, SJD, peace.
No.